Hello, good afternoon. This is Samir Moreshwar. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to optimize the use of the Uber driver app. What is optimization? It means to make good use of the information and data made available along with the basic and premium features provided by Uber driver app. I'm an Uber Diamond driver. When I get a ride request, I get the following information: rider rating, rider pickup time, pickup address, trip duration, drop off address, and driver fare. I have 15 seconds to accept or reject the ride. This data is the foundation of my decision making model. What's that? Please check the link in the description. In addition, I get driver stats, which includes ride acceptance rate, which needs to be higher than 85%. My rider rating, which needs to be higher than 4.85. And my ride cancellation rate cannot be more than 4%. It is based on the last 100 rides that I have offered. The driver stats enable me to focus on my short distance ride because it tells me if I reject a ride or cancel a ride, will it harm my driver stats? It's important to maintain the percentages and the number of the driver stats that I just mentioned because it lets me use the premium features. Now, moving on to the basic and premium features, let's first understand the driver hierarchy. When you first sign up, you are Uber Pro. At 300 points, you're Uber Gold. At 600 points, you're Uber Platinum. At 1200 points, you're Uber Diamond. These are not lifelong levels. You have to maintain them. My current Uber Diamond status will stay valid till July 30th, 2025. After that, it will fall a level below to Platinum. Then I need to earn 600 points again to become an Uber Diamond driver. How do I get those points? For every ride offered between Monday 4 a.m. and Friday 3 p.m., I get 1 point. For every ride offered between Friday 3 p.m. and Monday 4 a.m., I get 3 points. During the week, in the morning peak hours, that is 6 a.m. to 8 a.m., and evening peak hours, that is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., I get 3 points. As Uber Gold driver, I get the destination filter premium feature. It lets me put in an address or a target address and will give me rides only in the direction of that address. It won't give me any other rides. That way I can keep my ride acceptance rate at a good percentage. Then at Uber Platinum, I can do area preferences. I can select the areas in which I want my rides to start and end. I can use it once a day for 2 hours. The destination filter feature is also available for use once a day, but there's no clarity on how long can I use it. I've used it for 3 hours and nothing happened. When I become Uber Diamond driver, I get to use my area preference, but the destination filter is now available for use 2 times a day. Also, keep in mind that I need to maintain the driver stats so that I can keep using the premium features. I highly recommend Uber Pro drivers that invest your time in the long distance ride. Become a Uber Platinum or Diamond driver as soon as possible. That way the percentage of your short distance ride increases and you make good money earning tips as well. How? Please check another link in the description. Now, ever since March 19, 2025, driving for Uber is like playing a strategy game for me. Every ride is a decision. I have to constantly watch my driver stats, take decisions on that end. So here's how my day looks like. I start driving for Uber at 7:45 a.m. Keep a watch on my driver stats throughout the day, take decisions every ride request. Then at 3:30 or 4 p.m. I turn on the destination filter. so that I can head towards my daughter's school and accept rides. I pick her up, we come home, we play, I catch up with my wife's day, fight, gossip. If it's my cooking turn, I cook. Then we eat dinner together, watch TV, do some more screen time, and then around 7:30 p.m. I'm back on the road. But this time I turn on the area preference feature, which is available for 2 hours. After the 2 hours expire, I again use the destination filter for the second time heading back home. I've got good profitable short distance rides using the destination filter around 9:30 p.m. These days I'm debating on switching over to electric car or stay with my 2016 Honda HR-V gas car. Will my cost of operation reduce? Will it increase my profits? How do the bank interest rates look like? I don't know. But that's the topic for the next video. Until then, keep calm and drive.